In the fast-growing, ever-evolving worlds of our customers and prospects, rigid and limited reporting categories no longer satisfy the need for flexible and on-demand analysis of financial data. This is where dimension analysis is changing the way financial data is recorded and interrogated in Syspro. By embedding dimensions in the product, Syspro is supporting a standard chart of accounts that needs no revision when our customers re-envision their business segments, allowing our customers to add a new business segment or reporting category by simply adding a new dimension. A Syspro business can effortlessly integrate new business segments, enabling users to tag financial transactions against dimensions at the source of the transaction means business context is added to financial data. As a result, the Syspro business has flexible reporting capabilities that allow the user to slice and dice financial data based on whatever criteria they need. In this release, Syspro increases its support for the analysis of financial data by adding dimension analysis to more transaction processing programs, like return to supplier and trade promotions. This allows for more business processes to be analyzed using dimensions. Syspro addresses the critical need for flexible and on-demand analysis of financial data, with expansion of its dimension analysis capabilities. Now offering dimension analysis tagging on more transaction processing programs, Syspro empowers customers with unparalleled flexibility in reporting across more business processes. As you can see from the expanded list of processes now available against your dimension categories. This means that programs that were previously excluded from dimension analysis are now included in the offering. If you take a program like Accounts Receivable Payments and Adjustments, for example, previously you were able to allocate dimensions when you performed an adjustment, but dimension tagging wasn't available on payments. In the 2024 release, if you now wanted to record the cost of settlement discount awarded to a customer to a specific reporting center, you can do that using dimension analysis. As we roll out dimension analysis into more business processes, the logic remains unchanged, meaning all the validation and security checks remain intact, making the product easily scalable. Of course, the driving force behind dimensions remains the rich opportunity for analysis, where users can slice and dice data based on whatever dimension they want. This means detailed analysis of financial data can be made available quickly and comprehensive reports can be provided regularly, with little effort to essential stakeholders. Also, the Syspro business gains increased flexibility because they can maintain a standard chart of accounts and effortlessly integrate new business segments or reporting categories by adding a new dimension. In Syspro 8 2024, you have the added benefit of wider business process coverage, when more transaction processing programs now allow for the tagging of transactions with dimensions at the source of the transaction.